know when my hair's getting better, I always have to do this to myself. I always find a way to ruin it again. So as you see, I go crazy with the bleach, and the only thing that saves my hair, the only reason I still have some hair is because of this. I'm telling you, if you don't want to believe me, why do you think so many people rave about it? Like, I don't get paid to promote this, right? Like, this is incredible, especially if you have blonde, bleached, damaged hair. If you have damaged hair, you need this. This actually repairs your hair from the inside out. A lot of the products that we use is only on the outer, right? So it looks nice on the outer, but is it really fixing your hair on the inside? It's K18 Leave-In Molecular Repair Hair Mask. I love this. You can use 1 pump, 2 pumps. Let me tell you exactly how I use it, okay? First, this is how they recommend it. I just came out of the shower. The first thing you want to do is shampoo your hair. Only shampoo your hair. Do your whole routine. Do not apply conditioner. Came out of the shower. I let it dry a little bit, not too much. It's still pretty damp. And now I'm going to go in with my K18 hair mask. This is 1 pump. If you have really short hair, you're probably only going to need 1 pump. I want to do like a pump and a half. And all you do, and it's not scented either, all you do is just massage it. I'm getting confused. I've seen some videos saying you have to massage it until it gets white. Another one saying, no, just spread it, right? So it's evenly applied to your hair. I'm still gonna massage it until it's white, okay? Like that. And I'm gonna apply this all over my hair. You want to apply this, right, with, again, no conditioner. I put it even in my roots and it does not weigh my hair down. I'm making sure to coat all the hair, all right, with my fingers, just spreading it. Want to leave it for 4 minutes, okay? So it's not like it's gonna take you a lot of time. There's no excuse. I know this is expensive, but trust me, it's completely worth it if you really want to see your hair come back to life. I wash my hair every day. I don't use this every day. Like, I would waste it so quick. I use it maybe, I'd say, once every 10 days, or usually when I film, which is probably because I batch film. So I'll probably do like 30 videos today and I'll post them throughout the week. So my filming day, I will use this, especially so I can make a video because I love it. Why not tell you about it, right? So we're just going to count right here is 5:26. So at 5:30, I will go ahead and untangle my hair. That's the process I usually do. I was really scared before, to untangle my hair. I'm like, if I didn't put a conditioner, how hard is it going to be to untangle my hair? Right? Because no conditioner, that's crazy. I usually put conditioner in my hair, and when I come out the shower, I also have to do a leave-in conditioner so I can untangle my hair on a regular day. Again, not when I'm using this. So I was really scared at first, but it's so easy to untangle your hair. And I also like to use their hair oil because it's really light. Again, you can use it in wet hair, on dry hair. So after this does its work in those 4 minutes, then you can continue with your regular hair care routine. If you like to put any other creams, or if you want to put a leave-in conditioner, or you want to put some oils or whatever it is, you can do it after these 4 minutes. I like to use a wide tooth comb. If you have really thin hair, from videos that I have watched, you want to use a wide tooth comb and it's not going to rip your hair out like others, and it definitely works. I have many of these. I usually could get them for $1 or $2, and I don't know, I kind of lose them depending on the color. That's why I'm always able to find this pink one because it just stands out. I'll do another video for this, so I'm not showing so many things in one video, but this is their hair oil. I really like it. A little goes a long way, and when we have really thin hair that gets weighed down super easily, you have to be careful what oils you use, right? Because it can weigh your hair down and you're gonna look like you haven't showered your hair in 10 days. This is very light, and I like that it comes with the dropper. I also like the yellow, it stands out. Just press here and you see, not scented. I know they came out with a collaboration. I don't remember with who, but they have a scented one. It's limited edition, but this one is not scented. So if you're like sensitive to scents, you don't have to worry about that with these. Brush like this to blow dry my hair. So it's like a 2-in-1. 4 minutes are done. So now I go ahead and look at that. I was so surprised the first time I did this that my hair untangled really easy. But if your hair is not untangling easy, don't continue. Don't rip your hair out. Put in a leave-in conditioner or some oil or whatever you use to untangle your hair. I'll go ahead and put the oil like I said. I'll do a dedicated video to the oil later on. But all K18 products, they work from the inside out, remember. So that's the difference, okay? So definitely worth the price. I'm just putting it like in my ends like this. Some of this is a perfume that I'm obsessed with. It's the most long-lasting hair perfume that I own. And I have several, but that thing, like, look, it's 5 o'clock now. Tomorrow at 5 o'clock, the same time, 24 hours, I'm still gonna smell exactly the same. So marvelous. I'm gonna go ahead and blow dry my hair. Finished blow drying my... I'm definitely gonna stop bleaching my hair at home, because what is the point of getting it healthy and then I just go and damage it myself with bleach? You can always go to the hair salon, but if you're not an expert like me, meaning I'm not an expert either, I'm gonna start going to the salon because I have so many like bald spots. You don't know what I did. Like, I went crazy with the bleach. K18 is the way to go.